Good morning. It's almost 5 a.m. and I am up fixing some donuts this morning instead of making some new donuts. It is, let's see, I have only about 9 errors to record this morning. And I've listened to most of the audios I've listened to all the audios that have come back from the sound engineer. She's on vacation this week. And I'm going to have these 9 errors recorded for her when she gets back. And there's only a couple more chapters for me to hear and the bonuses. And then I think the next step is that the book goes to Audible, and then they have about a month or so of work to do, and then it will be available. Now, my daughter said last night, "Mom, you keep saying that the book is almost done." And I'm like, "Yeah, but I'm learning how to record an audiobook. I don't know the steps, Yes, this step is almost done." So you last heard from me when my original recording step was done. And now I'm here to tell you that the step of listening to all the sound engineered audios and recording the errors is almost done. And then we'll see if there are other steps I learn about that I have no clue about. I'm just being guided in this process by people who know how to create audiobooks. So I'm very grateful for that. It feels really good to be back in my DIY studio this morning. I tell you, I have really missed the heartbeat and the cadence of waking up early in the morning to do this, especially during the pandemic where pretty much nothing feels certain, and having some sort of routine was really helpful for those 40 days that I was recording the audiobook. So it's nice to be back. I wish you could hear, I wish I could play for you one of the sound engineered clips, but I don't have a speaker good enough to do it. But what I'm hearing in these headphones, if you could hear it, it's really good. You know how, I never used to listen to audiobooks prior to creating this audiobook. And then so many people said, "Oh, this is a great one, listen to this one," or "This is a horrible one, don't do it like that." And so, also thanks to the pandemic and my gym being closed, actually it's open now, but I really don't want to go to the gym. So thanks to that, I'm walking a lot, and I'm listening to audiobooks. And there are some audiobooks that the sound is just immersive, and I feel like the speaker is in my head or I'm in the speaker's head. I don't know which way it goes, but it feels like I'm one with the narrator. And that's what this book is sounding like to me when it comes back from the sound engineer. I'm not sure everything she does, but it's pretty cool. It sounds really lush and immersive, and I like it. I like it a lot, and I hope you will too. So just thought I'd give you that little update. And I did choose an Inspire Me card this morning, and it's the one that has the Agile Manifesto picture on the front of it. And the quote is by Steven Pinker, and it says, "We will never have a perfect world, but it is not romantic or naive to work for a better one." And I think that is about right. There are a lot of things that could apply to, and right now with I think we're over 176,000 Americans dead from COVID-19, and the rest of the world pretty much getting a handle on it. Yeah, but it's not romantic or naive to work for a better one. I wonder what work I have to do for a better one. All right, everyone. Have a great morning, or whenever you listen to this. Have a great day. Bye.